Your hotel software, also known as the Hotel Property Management System, PMS, is not just a system for managing guest data, but it can also be used effectively in online marketing. Welcome to Additive. Today, we're focusing on why your hotel software is not only essential for organizing your hotel, but also a key element in your marketing strategy. Your hotel PMS is the central management software for your establishment. It stores guest data as well as information about internal operations, such as reception or housekeeping. In short, it ensures that all guest information and hotel data are securely managed and easily accessible. This includes basic details such as names and lengths of stay, as well as information on the booking channels used and any additional services booked. And this is where your online marketing strategy comes into play. Your PMS provides the foundation for profitable online marketing. Guest data is analyzed by specialized software and processed in a way that allows you to engage your guests with highly personalized and targeted campaigns. For instance, regular guests can be rewarded with exclusive perks, such as a special offer for their next stay. Additionally, your guests' travel habits can be used to plan seasonal campaigns. Guests who feel personally addressed are more likely to make a booking with your establishment. That's why personalized hotel marketing is so important. Specialized software solutions for hotels, like additive marketing automation, assist you in implementing these data-driven marketing measures. This not only helps you achieve stronger guest loyalty, but also leads to more bookings for your business in the long term. Thank you for watching, and see you next time at Additive.